cold and the path gets rough, I'll hold you close when times get tough. Every step we take, we'll make it through. With you by my side, there's nothing we can't do. Through every up and down, I promise to stay. With you in my heart, I'll never stray. Forever love you through the darkest night. Forever love you till the morning light. In my heart, you'll always be. Forever love you, just you and me. No matter where we go or what we face, I'll always cherish our special place. Together forever, our hearts beat true. With every breath I'll keep loving you. Forever love you through the darkest night. Forever love you till the morning light. In my heart you'll always be. Forever love you, just you and me. So here's my vow, and I'll always stay. Forever love you every single day. With you forever, our hearts entwine. Forever love you till the end of time.
Yes, thank you so much guys. Mag-e-end na po ako guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you everyone. Yes, thank you po. God bless po sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Bye-bye po guys. Thank you guys. MD, thank you so much MD. Yes, to my silent viewers. Thank you, thank you. Oh! Oh my God! Si Sonica!
Kawawa naman yung
Yay! Si Sonica! OMG kay si Sonica. Thank you so much. Humabol talaga. OMG si Sonica. Mabuti hindi ako nag-out. Nag-end. Salamat si Sonica. Yay! Thank you Lord. Thank you sa blessings. Thank you. Thank you, Sis Unica. Salamat, salamat sa blessings mo, ha? More blessings to come, Sis Unica. I love you, Sisi Koy. Thank you. OMG, may pa-closing. Oh, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Baka si MD meron, MD. Baka si MD may pahabol, MD. Oh my God, Sis Unica, what is your request? Do you have a request, Sis Unica? You have a request? Come on, I will play your song. Gali. Si Sonica. Oh my God, nakakahiya naman si Sonica. So your favorite color is light blue. Sana all. OMG. Thank you Lord. Thank you po sa blessings. Thank you po sa napakabait pong mga kaibigan na nandito. Thank you guys. Thank you sa blessings na binibigay niyo sa akin. Yes, sobrang blessed ako at grateful ako sa mga kaibigan ko dito. Very generous at saka very friendly and very respectful also. Thank you sa inyo, sa inyong lahat dyan, ha? Oh my God. Pinasaya mo ako si Sonica. Kuya B-Boy, where are you? Kuya B-Boy, asan ka na? Hindi ka nalutang, ha? Kuya B-Boy. Asan si Kuya B-Boy? Kuya B-Boy, where are you? Salamat po ha, baka may humabol pa dyan. OMG. Baka may humabol pa. Oh, may mamili pa kayo. Meron diyang merong red. Merong yellow.